just to build our faith. We gotta grind, forget the devil if he in the way. Man, I'm better than I was before, cause I was in the way. Doing the wrong things like I wanna be behind some days. The wrongs into rights, had to make it happen. Hopping on a different plane, got to salute the captain. Lord, I love you, thank you.
What's up, YouTube? I am back with another video. And this is a cooking vlog today. So I will be cooking turkey. A turkey for tomorrow. So we're going to let it cook overnight. But I am getting it prepared now. So if you're interested in this video, be so kind to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so every time that I post a video that you can be notified. Y'all see my little bow thing up in there just to really keep the hair on my face. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and do this. We're going to go ahead and do the turkey. Get the turkey stuff together. I'm going to let y'all know everything that I'm going to put in the turkey and on the turkey. For right now, before I even come back to y'all, what I'm doing now is I'm buttering the turkey, buttering it. I'm gonna butter the whole turkey. Y'all gonna see me doing a little bit of it. I don't like I had the other day. I had my little stand. The kids came right home that day and broke it, so now I have to have somebody recording it for me because I ain't got no stand no more unless I find something to sit the camera on. So I gotta wait on another stand thing to come because the way my kids are set up, right, one of those, that's how that is. But we finna get on to this. Let me finish getting the stuff ready so I will have everything right here in front of me so I ain't gotta be all over the place trying to get everything. So let me pull out everything that I need and I'll be back. All right, so I'm just buttering it. Buttering the turkey at this point, so the season that I put on it will stick to it. So we're making sure we get in a part of this thing here. So we did put it in the turkey bag, so everything that I put inside of it, get a little sloppy, but side. Sloppy, the more sloppy I get, the more good it be. Already put a lot of butter already. Man, I didn't drop that. But we got it going.
So Mama?
Yes?
Are
you looking at the camera?
Yes.
Okay.
So I want to say to everybody that I know how to cook because of Mom.
That's right, baby.
I know.
I use this all the time on all my meat, so y'all know I'm using it for sure on this one.
She uses it on a lot of meat.
You know, it just be certain things that I like. When I like something, I just go ahead and keep it going with it. Usually I season this outside of the bag, but since we done already put it in the bag, it ain't gonna hurt. I use garlic salt, basically the same salt I use on everything. I use on everything. And then I be buying like different seasonings so that I can try like different stuff. So I do try like different seasonings and stuff. How is she doing with the camera?
Good.
All right. So we just making sure it's seasoned real good, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Seasoning that turkey. Yay!
Think I'm with it, something.
My family like turkey and chicken.
Love.
Onion powder. Onion powder.
Onion powder.
I'm giving y'all my little secrets. So don't come, if this ain't the stuff that y'all like, now I do this too. This is what I kind of do. This is a leftover onion.
A leftover?
That I had from the other day. So I just take it here, and that little open pot box, shoot it in there. You ain't got to cut that one up.
Mom.
That was just a clear shot right there.
Mom.
Then I take it. Hey.
Right here.
Then I take bell pepper, which is this here.
Mama, it still got the sticker on it.
I know it. I'm gonna get it off. All right, so I rinse this out.
Make sure it's clean.
Make sure that it's clean.
Mama, do the seeds be in it when you clean it? Or you?
That's what I be rinsing out, making sure that ain't no seeds in it. And I take this whole thing, put it in there. Well, we could do it like this. We can take the onion, set it inside of there, and we can cook it like that. It ain't doing nothing but putting in flavor. Let me handle this. Let me handle this.
Okay.
Don't you eat it when I cook it? Only difference now is you got the camera, you holding the camera right?
Yes.
Only difference now is you seeing me put it together. But I know what I'm doing. You understand? So if you're gonna be my camera person, and because this one right here is gonna show if you're gonna get paid to record or not. You see what I'm saying? So if you do this right, then you're gonna get paid to record.
Wait, I want an opportunity.
I bet.
So I'm
People won't let you be great for 30 minutes.
Mom, I was recording you first in the car. Where my money at? Good.
I didn't even see how that video turned out anyway. I didn't even post that video yet.
It was real good. That was recording was real good.
Okay, so cutting up my bell pepper, putting this up in here. I already cut up my yellow ones. I just like the flavor of these different peppers. So I use them all the time. And I cut them all up inside the bag so the flavor can stay inside the bag. So that's all we're doing. Put them a little bit under there and all that. And ready. Yep, so make sure I put them all around it, y'all. I don't cut them up all. At first, when I first started out doing it, I used to cut it all up all neat and pretty, and now I just make sure it's up in there. Then I stick a little bit up in the last one. No, go put that back. You're not getting no another orange. I mean, no. No. You done had 3 bananas. No. Go put it back. Go put it back. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna cut this one up, and I'm gonna cut an onion. I'm gonna cut an onion up in here, and then we're gonna put this whole bad thing in the oven. No, we're gonna say good thing. We're gonna say bad. We're gonna watch our mouth. Today, Wednesday, I'm really supposed to be at Bible study. I had class tonight, though. So, with me having class, I stayed. So class is out kind of early, so I really could have made it, but I really forgot. Please forgive me, Lord, but you know my heart, and I really did forget. Little baby, what you doing? What you doing? No, you better put that back. Why would you sit up there? I just bought the bananas, and why would you sit up there and just eat them all up? So nobody else can't have them.
Why did you just push me?
I'm just peeling the onion, y'all. So we can go ahead and cut this old bad baby up and get it on up in there. Y'all seen early in the video when I put the whole thing up in there. Okay. And this is for tomorrow's meal, so we're just prepping for tomorrow. Oh, I'm going to use these though because before they go bad. And I don't need no more, I'm just going to do it. It ain't going to hurt it, you know?
Mom, she opened up a banana.
Okay with that little bit.
Where to put this?
In the freezer. Okay, I got some liquid stuff, Mariah. Can you look at one of them bags on the table?
Okay, but I think there's no space for this.
Okay, we're gonna have to put it downstairs.
So,
But I need you to, I got some liquid stuff in one of them bags right there. If you get another one, you're gonna get a whoop. Yeah, whoop it.
I opened my bag, so
You don't see it? Look, see if you see something in one of them bags. You emptied all of them?
Yep.
It was like some juice looking stuff. Okay, y'all, so the most important part about cooking is what? Who know the most important part?
Cleaning.
Cleaning as you go. So we will be putting everything up as we get ready to end this video, because after I find the stuff to inject it, then we're gonna put this old bad baby up in the oven. We got our oven already getting hot.
This, Mom?
Yes, ma'am. So we got our oven already getting hot. So the stuff they have to go in that freezer down there.
Is the freezer and the top freezer are
No, just the freezer. Put it in the freezer. Here, put these right here. Look what I got, y'all. I got some organic chicken that we will be making, so we're gonna have that. So take this bag down there, Mariah, and what else you say come fit in there?
Wait. It was like, the taco meat.
Oh, take that in the taco meat. Tell Joe to put that in the freezer.
It's so heavy.
So we're gonna put this on there, y'all, and we're gonna wrap this up. And y'all stay tuned to tomorrow's video because we're gonna cook that old cabbage Mariah is gonna make, Miss Mariah is gonna make sweet potatoes.
I'm good at doing that.
She's good at doing that.
And
If I could get this on.
my banana.
Give it here. Yeah, nanny, Not funny. No. So I usually have the one that I could inject in here, like I showed you on the last video. Don't know how that slipped my mind, and I just came from the store. You're not getting that? No. You done had 4 bananas. So we're just gonna pour this all over, which is gonna give it more flavor. We should be flavor, baby. We should be flavor right now. And let's see if we still on the ghetto part and don't get the nope. We never have the things to wrap the and I just been like this. So we never have the things to wrap them up with, so y'all already know the ghetto way we gotta keep it going. And that's this right here. So we're gonna put a little water on this thing. We're gonna put a little water on it. Oh, that looks good. Let's see the camera. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at all that. Look at all that, baby. That's real juice up in there. That's real good, baby. You see? That is really. Yes, ma'am. So, we finna put this bad baby in the oven. And then tomorrow, we're going to show you how we cook the cabbage, the sweet potato. What can you cook, Makai? Let's let the camera know so we can see up front. We don't want no smoke.
I can cook greens, macaroni.
You did make some good greens that time.
But the food was very good. But the food.
What was wrong with it? Ain't nothing was wrong with her greens.
I know.
Mariah came for some second greens.
That's what I'm saying. Like, don't try to go. People always trying to, stay trying to go on other people.
No.
Just give people their props. If she did it good. I thought you was putting the grapes in the refrigerator. Put the grapes in the refrigerator.
Can I wash them and get some?
You can wash the ones that you're getting. Like, get them out first then. Yeah. No, yeah. Get him them greens. So yeah, we're gonna put this bad baby up in here. I put the oven on 350 because I like to cook it slow, so the inside moist in and that all them flavors go moist up in that bad baby and it be right. Cause usually I inject it with the needle, but I ain't got none. There's always something I ain't got, but guess what? It always turn out right. And this is a big enough turkey where my kids ain't gotta say, you let them eat it all? That was it? That's all it. Cause that's what they said when I did that. Seasoning that chicken, hey. Seasoning that chicken, hey. So, you gotta go in here. So, y'all make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so every time that I upload a video, you can be notified. We're going to upload every day. I'm going to try to do some twice a day. I'm going to try. That's what I'm saying. I'm going to try, but I'm going to upload every day. You dig? I mean, because we might not go to bed after this. We might feel like going ahead and cooking the rest of the side. But it's going to be on another video because we're going to end this one off. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I thank y'all.